it's Sarah, studio artist at Milk Makeup. You recently met Vegan Milk Moisturizer, a nourishing daily moisturizer for softer, smoother, and more hydrated skin. Now we're bringing you its perfect partner in crime. Introducing Vegan Milk Cleanser. Guess what? It's also formulated with vegan milks. It's a gentle cream cleanser that washes away dirt, impurities, and makeup without stripping skin. Cleanse the milk way. We wanted to make a cleanser that seriously works without any annoying tightness or discomfort. Vegan Milk Cleanser leaves your skin clean, super nourished, and feeling good. The creamy formula transforms into a milky lather to thoroughly yet gently cleanse and nourish skin. Desert milk instantly hydrates and helps skin retain moisture. It's formulated with a blend of Kalahari melon, baobab, jojoba, and aloe vera, all of which thrive in the desert thanks to their water-storing abilities. Vitamin-rich fig milk plus shea butter softens, soothe, and refresh skin. Oat milk calms and comforts. Argan milk, grapeseed oil, and olive-derived squalane seal in moisture and help provide antioxidant protection. Use Vegan Milk Cleanser morning and night, or whenever you want to treat yourself to refreshed, cleansed skin. Massage a dime-sized amount of cleanser onto damp skin to form a milky lather. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. It's for normal to dry skin types and good for sensitive skin. This formula is cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, sulfate-free, silicone-free, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and of course, dairy-free.